Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to email a zip folder in Outlook. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the browser version of Outlook. What we want to do is click on New on the top left over here, which will create the window where you will have a new email. Once you've done this, you can just pop this out into its own separate window, and you can look over here at the top. Make sure that you're in the Message tab on the ribbon, and you're going to look for Attach File. Once you've clicked on Attach File, you're going to go and look for Browse this computer. In Browse this computer, you will obviously find all of the files in your computer, and you are going to select the zip file that you would like to upload. You can see over here under Type, it says Compressed Zipped Folder. Click on Open. It's only 2 meg. There is a file size limit. So if it is too large, what will happen is your receiver will have a preview of the file. You can also have the option then to send a link to the file. Once you're done, you're going to go and add your recipient, a subject, and click on Send, and you're done.